If there ever was a more exciting time in the history of aeromodelling, for me this would have to be it. The T45 Hawk finally done us a little foamy instead of a box type style, which is what I've been doing all these years, since 2007 I think. Now, how exciting is this? Oh, a thank you letter from MinimumRC. Oh. That's the sticky tape RNAF over in Netherlands was talking about. Cut the bag open, don't try and tear it open, because he wrecked the belly, he said, when he tried to tear the box open. Oh, very nice. Oh yeah, they'll hold on, no problems. Oh, look out, Dave. Here we go. Game on, Miles. Oh, there's a wing there too. Oh man, and a tube of glue. Alright, let's stitch that. Oh, that's a good feeling wing. Oh yeah, that'll take. Nice, yep. Oh, I'm a bit excited. I can feel the adrenaline kicking in. Getting a bit shaky, he's getting so excited. Okay, so we undo the sticky tape. We never actually rip it apart. You might dent something. There we go. We're treating it with kick gloves today. Oh, dude. Oh, that's a nice canopy in cockpit area. Oh, that's very nice. Oh my. Wow. Speechless. Did you see that? Did you see how quiet I went while I was looking at the goods? He was checking out everything. I was checking out the little blowout marks here, and for this I was checking out the decals, checking out what they had here, checking the line. See, they've gone for the longer nose. I would have chopped that off a bit about here if that was me. Oh, that is very nice. Thumbs up for that one. Let's have a look inside here without ripping it apart. Alright. That's right, a blow by blow. Evenly taken off the sticky tape. Real careful so as not to bend anything, because remember they stated on their website that they designed this within an inch of its life to get the weight down as much as possible without losing the strength that it would need to be able to fly. So RNAF said his had to be cut through there and there. He said they were all joined up, but mine are clear as a bell. Oh yeah, that's bending no worries. Because the first thing I thought was I was going to cut that and then insert, well, some people use overhead projector plastic, whatever, and use them as hinges. But oh, what a good job! Oh, I'm already thinking. Okay, so it's got a tiny bit of dihedral in it. No, scrub that. She's flat as a tack. Wow, what a nice little design. Well, I've actually got the shakies. I'm that excited. My hands actually got the bit of a tremble going on there. That's never happened to me before. I am so excited. Can you tell? Wow, ditch that. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And then the little bits, we've got a little tubey of glue here. The belly pan that closes that up. Okay, does this come off? Oh my goodness, there's a receiver in there. Receiver ESC. Well, bless him, because I said, nah, don't bother giving me any of that junk. I said, just send it to me, I'll use my own gear. But stand by. What are we looking for? I'm just going to check something out. While I'm looking, I'll probably edit these pauses. Alright, yeah, I'm just moving the servo wire away from the servo horn and guide. So the power line, it was just there just a bit. Wow! How's Mr. Autofocus? Check out the little control hooks there. The horn connectors. Oh, that's very fancy. So I've got a receiver in there. Oh, I know what that is. That's the... Oh, okay. So that's the... we used to call it ASX. That's the guide to keep it all straight. Alright. No servo. But we do have a speed controller. Oh, nice little blade set. Nice little blade set. How's that? Is that focusing? Oh, it is too. Look at that. Oh, lovely. Listen to Mr. Jitters there. Oh, he's all excited like a little kid at Christmas. Cheetah hole. I cannot stress that. That is a go-to thing, a cheetah hole. Nothing wrong with having one of those. It's a must-have situation for keeping the intake ducts semi-realistic. Instead of, remember those big groper fish intakes on the J-Power? Oh, what a mess. The first thing I did was chop them down, and when I did, it choked it out, so I had to cut a big hole in the bottom, just in front, just like this. I think I actually flew, they had a clip-on section here in front of the fan, and I remember I pulled that off and flew it. Couldn't believe how good it flew, because it was really getting choked out. Those things sucked a lot of air. Alright. And the packaging is, I think they really have done themselves. This is such a huge step up from their box, the box Hawks. Wow, hats off MinimumRC. This is very nice. Wow, good job. Let's put it together. I'll be back.